see this facility has some years on it.
Yes, sir. Has quite a few years on it.
Irving Water Utility's oldest pump station is about to get replaced. The Carbon Road pump station is 50 years old.
With this pump station being at the age that it's at, we generally have issues with finding parts and getting maintenance taken care of because a lot of the equipment has kind of aged out a little bit.
This station is what is providing water to the west side of Irving, so all these residents are able to have water at their homes.
It is an area that has grown a lot since that pump station opened. So here's what's coming. This new $38 million facility, designed to better match some of the neighborhood aesthetics and, more importantly, engineers say will operate a lot more efficiently and have built-in backups.
There's also going to be some diesel generators. If we ever lose power, those generators will automatically kick on, so we're still going to be able to serve water to our residents in the event of any kind of storm event or a power loss or anything like that.
It'll be nice to have a facility that's easier to maintain, where we've got equipment that's not exposed to the elements, that's more pleasing to the neighbors around. There's just a lot of benefits to replacing this facility.
Construction will start this spring and take about 2.5 years.
Residents might be wondering when they hear about such a long construction time, are they going to be without water service at any point in that process?
No, sir, not at all. We're building it on a completely different part of the site.
This is the land we purchased several years ago.
Anticipating the need for a new station, Water Utilities bought this adjacent site. All of the construction will happen here, while the existing facility is still running. And then, when the new one opens,
just imagine 33 million gallons are going to be able to be pushed out of the station every single day.
It is a project that the team involved is proud to make a reality.
I actually live in Irving, so I drink the water. My family drinks the water, so I take a lot of pride in what I do here.
The existing one has served us well for a long time, but it's time to reinvest.
Thomas Gandy for CitySource.